Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram story black screen problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, find Instagram apps and then tap and hold on Instagram apps. Now open Instagram app info. Now go to storage option and then clear cache your Instagram storage. Now press on back button, tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then go to Play Store. Now update your Instagram apps. So tap on search app and search Instagram. From here update your Instagram apps. After completing update process, now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now go to Instagram and check your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.